was wondering where Mo was. See them eyes? Are you guarding your boy's room? That's a good girl, Momo. That's a very good girl.
I know. I was just posting about it. Hashtag delicious. Hashtag low fat. Hashtag food. Hashtag nice price. Hashtag freshly baked. Hashtag cheese please. Hashtag tangy. Hashtag funny word. Hashtag
Is your boy sleeping?
Hashtag squishy loose.
I'm glad you're guarding. Yeah. Do you know you have a big day tomorrow at the hospital? Yeah. Being a good girl, you're falling asleep, huh? Oh no, it's the beast. She says, don't you come near my boy's room. Oh, Momo. That's good girl, Mo. That's good girl, watch your boy. That's a good girl. Very good girl, Mo. Very good girl. You tell Bear, say, stay there, Bear. Don't you come by my boy's room.